The Mould King 12027 train kit is an impressive building block set that allows enthusiasts to construct a detailed SD42 diesel locomotive complete with a container, semi-trailer, and crane. With over 1,170 pieces, this kit is both challenging and rewarding, providing hours of engaging fun for both kids and adults. The realistic design features such as magnetic connections between carriages and an operable crane add to the authentic experience of this train set. This train kit includes a power unit and remote control, allowing users to operate the train remotely and experience the thrill of a real locomotive. Beyond its playability, the Mould King 12027 train kit boasts high decorative and collectible value, making it a prized addition to any collection. Despite its intricate design, the assembly process is straightforward, and the manufacturer offers excellent customer support to replace any lost or damaged parts.